So Cuthbert has been asked to clean the dining room area today. I put this mat here just to get it clean. It doesn't normally belong there, but you notice how when he goes on the carpets he increases the power. The real problem for Cuthbert will be the pedestal table. He's got to get somehow under those legs. We'll see how he gets on with that later. It's nice to see how he goes underneath things and cleans in places where you can't get to easily with a normal vacuum cleaner. He's already done under the dresser there. Now he's coming back now. What is he doing? Something he's forgotten. He knows he's done that. Where's he going now? So there we go on the carpet. More power for carpets. And go down all the way down there. It's going under the dresser again. He's already been under there and one long stripe around the perimeter. So where are you going now? He's going to scan the whole room in this direction, what for him is horizontal. That's quite good. So we'll pause it there and wait till he comes. When he finds a chair leg, he goes all the way around it. That's one of his standard subroutines. If there's a vertical thing, go around it and clean all around it. Now he's going to come back to his horizontal scan. Hope he's not going to run me over. Now he's found the pedestal leg. This is a special problem. Well, he seems to have the right idea. Go around it. So what happens now? Going up to the next pedestal leg. There it is. Let's go around it. The good thing is he doesn't get trapped under there, which I would have expected to happen. So did you remember what he was doing? Yes, he was doing a horizontal scan. There we go. Carry on. He's going to come back. I put this chair in his way. Let's see what he does with that. A leg. We go around it. Yes. That's the leg subroutine. Go round legs. Think. Just a minute, please. So we're going back to continue the scan. It's going to go around that leg as well. So this must be a kind of worst case test. legs like that, but he seems to manage it very well. Goes all around it, cleans the carpet. Of course there's some bits under there you can't really expect him to get to, but I think he's doing a pretty good job. I put that chair in a rather unfortunate position for him, but he's doing it pretty well. He's going around the legs, having a think. Every now and then he stops and waits until his processor can do the thinking necessary. Now he's coming and run over my feet. This is all part of his program for doing a horizontal scan. He's done the periphery. Now he's going back to continue a horizontal sweep. Here he comes again. So he's found this chair as well. He's going to have to go around it. It's a leg. The leg subroutine again. Yeah, so here we are. Let's get it all undone over there. It's not really necessary, but just to show what he does. Would have been easy to put the chair out of his way, but I didn't want to do that. Most of the videos I've seen of Deebot have been in simple, very orderly rooms where everything can be done in a simple fashion. I wanted to show you what happens when you're in a real environment like ours, where everything is a state of chaos, and see how he manages to get on with that. So he's cleaning the doormat quite nicely. Now he's resuming his horizontal scan. So he gets a bit stuck on the edge of that carpet. He doesn't really like that much, does he? He's making strange noises. He's been commissioned to clean the dining area and then the kitchen. Let's see how he does this. The kitchen is over there, so he should really finish this and then go into the kitchen. We'll see if he's done that in an intelligent way. There we go, around the leg again. Okay, we've seen enough of that. Well, he's still finishing under there, around the pedestal legs. So what's going to do now? Interesting. Where are we going now then? Yeah, he's coming down this way. Can't think why, but probably thinks he hasn't done that bit yet. So will he go back to the charger before he does the kitchen, or will he go straight to the kitchen? So it looks like he's going to the quickest way to the kitchen. That's really rather clever of him. He didn't go back to the other end of the room and then say, I'm back in the charger, now I'm going to do the kitchen. He went straight to the kitchen. He's going to go around the periphery. That's the way he always does things. I don't know why he does it in such an awkward way, nudging himself like a blind man. There must be better ways of doing this, but that's what he does. There must be a better way of doing this. Looks like a blind man. It needs one of these white sticks so he can feel the way he's going. So when he's done this, he's completed the periphery, he will start to do a horizontal scan, which means going across the short distance of the rectangular kitchen floor, which is of course not the best way of doing it, but that's what he likes to do. He regards that as horizontal, and he does only horizontal scanning, no matter what shape the room is. So there we go, a short horizontal trip, turn round, do it again. He's done all of the edges, so that's okay, but it's a pretty inefficient way of doing a long, thin kitchen floor. So he's nearly finished now with the kitchen. Let's see what he does when he gets to the final scan up here. That must be the final one. He's done the edges.
Clearing is complete. Return to the charging dock.
Jolly good show. Let's see how you do that. He's returning, but he's still got his brushes rotating. Why doesn't he switch them off? See if he finds the best way back. Oh, he's turned off his sucking action. But he's got the side brushes still rotating. So there we are, charging station.
I'm starting to charge.
Well done, little chap.